Flow state happens when you become spiritually awakened, when your consciousness undergoes a massive transformation. It does not happen through an intellectual understanding or through mind techniques. It has to happen to you as a powerful, transcendental, mystical experience in your consciousness. The best place to look for this flow state is in this universe, is in this nature. Nature does not perceive change as a threat, does it? No. Rather, nature embraces change and evolves through it. Otherwise, we would not be having this living planet, and we Homo sapiens would not be alive. We are the result of a massive evolution that has taken place on this planet. When there are environmental changes, changes in climate, temperature, availability of food, then nature throws up a mutation of the species. Genetic changes emerge in the organism, whereby it can blend and flow with the changes in the ecosystem that it is a part of. Sometimes when new members show up, guests arrive into that ecosystem who do not belong to the species, then nature brings in biodiversity. There is a coming together of two species, and an exchange of genes happen, and there is a new species that emerges and thrives. Let me share an example with you. In one of the beautiful retreat centers where Sri Pritaji did the Field of Abundance course, there was a huge tree that had fallen off, and inside its trunk was a 2 feet high rock. We could see the rock because rains had loosened up the roots and the tree had fallen down, revealing the rock inside it. The tree had grown for centuries, and it had grown around the rock, making it a part of itself. The tree did not try to push away the rock or stop its own growth because the rock came on its way. None of this happened. Isn't this a perfect example for embracing change? In the flow state, you make change a part of yourself, and you grow and evolve through it, drawing beautiful synchronicities from the field of universal intelligence or the divine. You know that you are not alone in your life. You are held and supported by the divine or the universe. Flow state is a magical state to live your life from.